IFRS 3 business combination. Business combination may be purchase of business or amalgamation. So in that case, IFRS is defining the goodwill. IFRS 3 govern accounting for all business combination and deal with the accounting treatment of goodwill. Goodwill is identified as an asset representing the future economic benefit arising from the asset acquired in business combination that are not individually identified and separately recognized. So this goodwill has not capacity to individually identified and separately recognize. If it would have, so it may be a separate intangible asset, like it may be patent, brand, copyright. Because it does not have individual identity, so as a whole we are calculating this goodwill, that is excess from the net value of the asset. There may be negative goodwill. Negative goodwill is not loss, it is a gain in purchase. Negative goodwill means you are paying less than the value of asset. So negative goodwill gain on bargain purchase is treated as income, as the purchaser has paid less than the fair value of the identifiable net asset. This will be covered in future in chapter 18. According to the non-purchased goodwill, accounting for the non-purchased goodwill. Non-purchased goodwill should not be recognized in the financial statement. It certainly exists. It exists in the business, of course, but fail to satisfy the recognition criteria in the framework, since it is not capable of being measured reliably.